Frogs, nature's amphibious wonders. Frogs are among Earth's most fascinating amphibians, inhabiting nearly every ecosystem except Antarctica. With over 7,000 known species, they display incredible diversity in form, behavior, and survival strategies. This comprehensive guide explores frog evolution, anatomy, habitats, reproduction, ecological roles, and conservation challenges. Taxonomy and evolution of frogs. Scientific classification. Kingdom, Animalia. Phylum, Chordata. Class, Amphibia. Order, Anura, meaning tailless. Families, over 50, including Ranidae, true frogs, Hylidae, tree frogs, and Bufonidae, toads. Evolutionary origins. First appeared 265 million years ago, Permian period. Evolved from lobe-finned fish ancestors. Adapted to land with limbs, lungs, and permeable skin. Survived mass extinctions that wiped out dinosaurs. Major frog families. Ranidae, true frogs. Smooth, moist skin. Strong swimmers and jumpers. Example, bullfrog, leopard frog. Habitat, global except Antarctica. Hylidae, tree frogs. Sticky toe pads for climbing. Often brightly colored. Example, red-eyed tree frog, spring peeper. Habitat, trees or near water worldwide. Bufonidae, true toads. Warty, dry skin. Parotoid glands secrete toxins. Example, cane toad, common toad. Habitat, all continents except Australia. Dendrobatidae, poison dart frogs. Bright warning colors. Potent skin toxins. Example, golden poison frog. Habitat, Central or South American rainforests. Pipidae, tongueless frogs. Fully aquatic. Webbed feet, lateral line system. Example, African clawed frog. Habitat, African or South American waters. Microhylidae, narrow-mouthed frogs. Small, plump bodies. Pointed heads for ant or termite diet. Example, tomato frog. Habitat, tropics worldwide. Anatomy and physiology. Unique physical adaptations. Skin. Permeable for respiration and hydration. Secretes toxins or mucus, example poison dart frogs. Legs. Powerful hind limbs for jumping, some leap 20x body length. Webbed feet for swimming. Eyes. Bulging, providing nearly 360 degrees vision. Night vision, tapetum lucidum in some species. Respiration, breathe through skin, lungs, and mouth. Cutaneous respiration, skin 20 to 100% oxygen intake. Buccal pumping, forces air into lungs. Some species lack lungs entirely, example Bornean flat-headed frog. Specialized survival traits. Freeze tolerance, wood frog. Gliding ability, Wallace's flying frog. Camouflage, mossy frog. Global distribution and habitats. Where frogs live. Tropical rainforests, highest diversity. Temperate wetlands, spring peepers, bullfrogs. Deserts, water-holding frog burrows underground. Mountains, Titicaca water frog at 12,500 feet elevation. Habitat specialization. Aquatic frogs. Live permanently in water. Webbed feet, streamlined bodies. Examples, African clawed frog, American bullfrog. Adaptations, lateral line system, powerful legs for swimming. Arboreal, tree, frogs. Live in trees and vegetation. Sticky toe pads, slender bodies. Examples, red-eyed tree frog, green tree frog. Adaptations, camouflage colors, ability to climb smooth surfaces. Terrestrial frogs. Live on ground in forests or grasslands. Strong legs for hopping. Examples: common toad, leopard frog. Adaptations: moist skin for water absorption, burrowing ability. Burrowing frogs. Live underground. Short legs, rounded bodies. Examples: Mexican burrowing toad, ornate horned frog. Adaptations: tough snouts for digging, ability to estivate. Desert frogs. Survive in arid environments. Water storage adaptations. Examples: water-holding frog, desert rain frog. Adaptations: waxy skin coating, burrows deep underground. Gliding frogs. Can glide between trees. Webbed feet act as parachutes. Examples: Wallace's flying frog. Adaptations: flattened body, extensive foot webbing. Reproduction and life cycle. Mating strategies. Vocal calls: males attract females with species-specific croaks. Amplexus: male clasps female to fertilize eggs externally. Explosive breeding: some species mate in mass gatherings after rains. Metamorphosis: from egg to frog. Egg stage. Laid in water or moist environments. Some species carry eggs on their backs, Suriname toad. Tadpole stage. Gills for underwater breathing. Herbivorous, feeding on algae. Metamorphosis. Develops lungs, limbs, and carnivorous diet. Tail is absorbed into the body. Parental care variations. Male nursery frogs guard eggs in tree hollows. Darwin's frog carries tadpoles in vocal sacs. Poison frogs transport tadpoles to water-filled plants. Diet and hunting strategies. What frogs eat? Insects, flies, crickets. Small vertebrates, mice, other frogs. Aquatic species filter feed on plankton. Hunting techniques. Projectile tongue, sticky, extends in 0.07 seconds. Ambush predation, camouflage and patience. Luring prey, some use toe wiggling to attract fish. Ecological importance. Role in food chains. Prey for birds, snakes, mammals. Control insect populations, mosquitoes, crop pests. Bioindicators of environmental health. Sensitive to pollution, climate change. Declining populations signal ecosystem collapse. Cultural significance. Mythology and folklore. Egyptian Heket, frog goddess of fertility. Native American, symbol of rain and transformation. Chinese, Jin Chan, money frog, for prosperity. Modern symbolism. Kermit the Frog, entertainment icon. Scientific research. Xenopus frogs in pregnancy tests, 1930s. Cloning experiments, Dolly the sheep precursor. Conservation status and threats. Why frogs are disappearing. Habitat destruction, wetland drainage, deforestation. Chytrid fungus, wiped out 90+ species. Pollution, pesticides, acid rain. Climate change, alters breeding cycles. Conservation efforts. Captive breeding programs, Panama golden frog. Habitat restoration, wetland protection. Disease research, antifungal treatments. The future of frogs. Climate change impacts. Earlier breeding seasons disrupting food chains. Droughts reducing wetland habitats. How to help. Create frog-friendly gardens, shallow ponds, no pesticides. Support conservation groups, Amphibian Arc, IUCN. Report illegal wildlife trade. Conclusion, guardians of freshwater ecosystems. Frogs are fascinating amphibians that play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. With their unique life cycle, from egg to tadpole to adult, they are excellent indicators of environmental health. Found in diverse habitats worldwide, frogs contribute to insect control and serve as both predators and prey in food chains. However, they face serious threats from habitat loss, pollution, climate change, and disease. Conserving frog populations is essential not only for biodiversity but also for the well-being of entire ecosystems. By understanding and protecting frogs, we take a step toward preserving the delicate harmony of nature. As ancient symbols of transformation and resilience, frogs remind us to protect Earth's delicate balance. A frog does not drink up the pond in which it lives.